Hey, Uncle Chris, why are you so excited?
I am real excited. Nieces and nephews, this is my Christmas food pantry haul. Uncle Chris smells so good.
What'd you get today?
Okay, as you may or may not know, Misha Moore here in Chicago runs St. Philip Neri Food Bank, and they were having a Christmas food pantry giveaway. Words just can't. Okay, let's go. We're starting from left to right, as usual. Okay. Greens. Oh, yes. I'm going to do some Southern country greens. Now, you also seen how I did it. I showed you. You saw the video. I'm going to do some more for Christmas. I got mangoes. Now, I'm thinking about doing some type of mango smoothie or maybe ice cream for dessert. I'll find out. Because I can mix this with apples. I got some fresh apples, and they are wonderful. Now, look at this. A bag of onions. A bag. Another bag of onions. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4.
A lot of sweet potatoes.
Oh, sweet potato pie, candied yams. I have these wonderful potatoes. Now these are just the right size, because guess what, y'all? I can make mashed potatoes or scalloped potatoes with onions. What do y'all think? Comment down below and let me know, okay? We got, which is unusual now. This is unusual. Water. We have a ton of water. I love water. I am a water drinker. And especially now that I just got out of the hospital and I've got to lose weight, so water is my friend. As you notice, they bruised me up. Ooh. Okay, now, I have a big surprise for you guys in the box. It's just like Christmas. We're going to come with me this way. First, I want to show you some chicken thighs we got from the food pantry, which is nice. We got a whole chicken. 3 things of ground beef. Look at that. So I might put some meat in the dressing, or I might do my grandmother's famous hamburger soup. Lovely. All right, now 2 cans of cranberry sauce, and I got my whole kernel corn. But look, y'all, no salt added. This is my favorite, you know that. I got some fruit mix. We've got some pasta sauce. Oh, no, my mistake. Diced tomatoes. Can you see them?
Yes, I can.
I guess, but I do have some pasta sauce, so I might make some spaghetti on Christmas to go with everything else. Cream of chicken soup. We're going to use that in the scalloped potatoes, or maybe a casserole. Dinty Moore beef stew. I'll feed that to the dog. No. I will see if I can dope that up and make something out of it. 2 cans of black-eyed peas. Pink salmon, so I can make some more seafood cakes. And look at this, 4 cans of green beans. So I can make my green bean casserole for the holidays, which will be real nice. I might even take it up a step and put some mushrooms and some type of meat in it. We'll see. All right. I've got 4 boxes of macaroni and cheese. Now, you know, I'm just use that for the pasta. I got some raisins, maybe to put in the potato salad. Oh, hazelnuts. That would be nice in some sort of dessert. Pasta for the spaghetti. In the morning, we've got Quaker Oats. Oatmeal is upside down. Oh, it's the quick one. Hey, the bottom busted on this. Sometimes when you get things from the food pantry, they may be open. So, I suggest, if you find something open from the food pantry, check it out. Always make sure it's good. Now, I know I am jumping all over the place, but y'all, I'm so excited. Check this out. Here in the box, well, on top of the box, I've got 2 wonderful loaves of bread they gave us. This is going to be my homemade stuffing, y'all. I'll show you how I make that. Now, let's see what's in the box, y'all. This is like Christmas time when you open up your presents. Wow. We got a bag of shrimp.
Wow.
A bag of shrimp.
There's so many things you could do with those.
We could have some type of a shrimp dish on Christmas. I'm going to see. Or I might save these for New Year's. Seafood and champagne goes really good. All right.
The shrimp cocktail.
Check this out. Oh, a whole Christmas ham.
Cool.
Y'all ready for this? A turkey.
Ta-da!
A whole turkey for Christmas. Now you tell me, that's not a blessing. And God isn't good.
Of course, all the time.
Absolutely. Now I'm going to tell you something. A lot of people will say that reaching out to a food pantry or a food bank, well, that's for poor people. The last time I checked, everybody was in a situation where they didn't have enough money to do something. That doesn't mean you're poor. It doesn't mean you're rich. But it does mean that you should reach out for some help. Do not be ashamed to reach out for help. Text me. Email me at Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef, at gmail.com. Okay? Maybe I can find resources in the city that you live in to help you out. Also, check out Mama Bird's channel. She helps you learn how to can, and she does things if you've got a big family, show you how to cook one time and make meals for the whole week. This woman is amazing. Okay? Now, nieces and nephews, I want you to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, it's not what's under the tree, but who's around it. Okay? So that means a lot. Now, I will explain more about my situation coming from the hospital. I am working on my health. I'm feeling a little bit better, but there's still some issues, and I'm going to deal with those. Okay? But I want to say big love to everybody, and thank you for all the well wishes. I want you to look up tonight. I'm going to try to show you Chicago's Christmas lights and the tree, okay? All right, but that'll be later on tonight. I'm going to try my best to do it. If I'm feeling up to it, I'm going to put a shot out there. You all tune in, and we're going to show you how the Christmas tree looks in downtown Chicago and what me and my mom used to do, drive around the neighborhoods and look at the local lights. All right? Big love from Uncle Chris. Oh, turkey. Uncle Chris smells so good.